Ntuko nini nyuma ya mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga kugawe ATINA THIINA kweberera Kalonzo MUSYOKA abururukia bendera ya Azimio kiri mwaka wa 2027 riu ntuko ya umunthe ya kiama ODM nimumeretie gutariria kurega kwiganirwa kwao matongoretwe ni Obura Odinga maugite guti mutongorio batiri kwithirwa agitanga Raila kana kumubinyiria kugweta no akanenkera tigiti ya kuruwira urais maugite urio kwenda tigiti ya Azimio abatiri gushuka kibaroni gushogwa timbaro kere akiama na nkinyagia aringi kura nimashokete maromba Rais Ruto kwenda miangarama ya uturo makiuga ni twikite THIINA Anthony Kadenya enainu
Ntuku imwetu nyume mutongero wa ngwatanire Azimio Raila Odinga kugweta ATINA THIINA noeko kugwata mbaru mutongero wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo MUSYOKA kienda mbao kamata bendera ya ngwataniro eno kithiranoni kia mwaka wa 2027.
Sijasema Kalonzo hawezi kuwa candidate. Mimi nimesema tumetoka mbali na Kalonzo. Kalonzo ameniunga mkono. Na mimi vile naweza kuunga yeye mkono.
Liwa tongeria nkurani bakema kia ODM bakela muthenyomdi bale mathikoni kaunti ya Omabe batongeretwe ni senator wa kaunti ya Siaya Oburu Odinga ni balute tongere bangi kiringwataniro eno ile bala bakema kia Wiper na bia mabingi gutika kwinyire mutongero wa ngwatanire ni Azimio Raila Odinga kubanenkira bendera ya ngwataniro eno endekera babatire kuthithia ni kuthi na kwalanire na ringi kura kenda babathikiria.
So when you talk of contestations for the leadership of this country, others, people who are with us in leadership, particularly in our own coalition, you should not pressurize Raila to tell you that you are the one who is going to take over. No, just talk to people. Come even here. If you force Raila to tell our people that they should elect you or they should nominate you to be their presidential candidate, without talking to them, without convincing them, they will not vote for you.
That it is completely out of order for leaders within our coalition to continually blackmail Raila Odinga and the ODM party. Everywhere Raila goes outside Luoland, you find people putting him in small corners and in small rooms that Raila should live for them. Let us desist from this conversation that Raila should live for other people. He still is our candidate and we shall be with him unless our principles make a different decision.
Oburu akiuga mutongero wa ngwatanire ni Azimio Raila Odinga bado alionainya na kethiro ali umwe wa blaba kethiro bagitarwa kenda ukamata bendera ya ngwataniro eno.
So just come out and compete. Let Raila also be in the ballot. Let us be democratic. Let us select one best leader who will give us the leadership of this country. Let us not talk about it too early. Let us give everybody a chance, including Raila. Raila is not expired. Raila is still strong. If Oburu, his brother, is this strong, then how about Raila, just a child who was born yesterday?
Kulingana na seneta wa kaunti ya Omabe Moses Kajwang nkusana ile kumira ngwataniro eno ya Azimio ni imwe ya mibango ya Rais William Ruto kwangalatania urumwe kiri ngwataniro eno amwe nogu mutongero baba nini bungeni nene Opiyo Andai ni amenerete na inya nene Rais William Ruto.
And we must desist from this conversation of who is going to be the president and deputy president at this point in time. Our leaders have given us directions. Let us go and strengthen our parties. In fact, if an election was held today, even with the IBC as dysfunctional as it is, Senator Sifuna, I am convinced if a snap election was called today, Raila Odinga will defeat William Ruto. Because Kenyans are tired. The only strategy that William Ruto is remaining with is to disorganize us within the coalition.
How can a government be in power for now close to 2 years and there's no single thing you can point to There is no single thing you can say that the Ruto administration has done. What kind of government can that be? And therefore, as ODM, we must work strategically, and alongside our partners to ensure that we form the next government in 2027 or earlier.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Antony, Rangi wa Kathinya.